Hello everyone, so this is the video when I'm buying and giving as school supplies to the kids on my community, guys. But if you want to watch the full video when I'm buying school supplies, check out my past live. So I'll put the link on my description only, guys. This is the bag, guys. This is the bag. And the papers. Ayan. Papers and notebooks and pencil and pen. Ibak na rin. Naman. Okay guys, every student there is a bag, 2 pencil, 2 pad of paper, and then 5 notebooks, guys. Ayan. 5 writing notebooks and not on writing and envelope. So that's it, guys. I'll update more tomorrow and I will going to arrange this first. So thank you again. So I'm back, guys. Today is the day that I gave the school supplies for the kids here to my community. So now I'm preparing for the spaghetti for them. Ayan. 2 kilos of spaghetti, guys, and the fried chicken is already done. It's already cooked, guys. So ayun, later I'll add a bread lang for them. So they have spaghetti, bread, and fried chicken later, and then school supplies. So ayan, thank you so much. I'll see you later, guys. Here's the kids, guys. They are waiting. Marty, Marcos, hello, Sir Daniel.
Ihulat yun.
Thank you. Talaga naman sumiya, no?
Naka-video lang ko tanan ha.
Next. Jumping. Wala si jumping? Jan na. Dali lang, Jan. Okay. Thank you. Okay. Kanina, ko na-give me. Grade 6 guys, grade 6. Josel. Ganda ko pa sa buo. Wala pa rin siguro.
Okay na.
Maria, Maris. Parang kaya Maricel na ah. Wala. Parang kaya Prito.
Kata.
Ay, ano sila tayo? Malalaki ka tayo. Nga, nabuboy na kaliday. Okay. Guys, let's play.
Dito na pita. Sige.
Akong live ng ito.
Hinay ha. Hinay lang. Nayaw, yati ha.
Thank you.
Dato datong ano, handong oh. Dato babaw. Danang bungon.
Sarap. May tinapay pa ha.